As per reports, he was a grade A student. Parang top of his class. Top of his class siya. So, wala namang, so far, ang report ng Ateneo ay wala namang incidents of bullying sa kanya. We are going to check if there is kung ano ang nag-trigger ng kanyang depression. Kasi Roblox, yung chat group na yan, only encourages you. Pero deep down inside, may problema yung bata and we're trying to ascertain yan kung ano talaga siya.
Yung grade 10 student sec, was he the intended target or random victim?
We do not know. We do not know. Wala pa kami kasi hindi pa kompleto yung forensics nando doon eh. Pero for all accounts, yung bata daw yun eh, napakabet. Ano rin, honor student rin, pareho niya. Parang lahat ng biktima, wrong place at the wrong time.